Students, this is when your teacher sends you a message on Remind. And here is Remind, the conversation class on your cell phone or computer. So you go to the link here, click the link, and it takes you to Quizlet. On Quizlet, go to flashcards and then go down here to options. On options, I want you to turn your audio, which is sound, turn the audio on, okay? When it's yellow, it's on. Then answer with definition. Okay. Then get out. Oh, you can hear it now. So I click in the corner, I get the opposite. Comfortable, comfortable, uncomfortable. And I can hear it again right here. Okay, and I can star it if I want to study it separately. And for the next card, I can just click this arrow here. And I get the next one. And I can click a corner, dry, wet, dry. So listen, wet, dry. Listen and repeat the word, okay? Students, listen and speak. And you can also use your keyboards with the arrows too. So you can use this arrow to go back, or you can use this arrow to go forward, okay? Clean, and the next one, dirty, tidy or neat, messy, untidy. See, these are opposites. Okay, full, empty. Okay, so there's la, 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 la. There's many. When you're done, go up here to back. Then you can do spell. So type what you hear. And what you do is you click here to start the audio autoplay. And look down here, it says messy, untidy. So you're going to type what you hear, the opposite. Tidy, tidy, oops, click here. Tidy, and then slash neat. And then I hit enter. Aha, see the opposite is last. So I'm going to type first. Oh, I didn't hear it right. I'm going to listen again. Oh, first. Oops, click. First. Now, what if I spelt it wrong? I spelt it wrong with 2 S's. I hit return. And see, it corrected it for me and told me only put 1 S. F-I-R-S-T, enter. I got it. Absent, present. So I type present and I think 1 S. Present. Well, easy, easy, okay? And the opposite is difficult. All right, that's how you do that, and it gives you the progress over here, and it has this round. So 6 out of 7. Win. You know, I'm going to change that to just be wonderful, terrible. And, okay, so then go back. And so I did flashcards, I did spell. Now I'm going to do match. Click match. Make everything disappear. Drag the corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. Start. All right, so unfair is the opposite of fair put together. And comfortable is the opposite of uncomfortable. And busy is the opposite of quiet. And full is the opposite of empty. First, last, lose, terrible, win. Terrible and wonderful. Yay! And look, I did it in 30.3 seconds. Try it again to beat the other people. Here we go. Ready? Play again. Oh, vacant, opposite of occupied. Low, opposite of high. Where's high? Here. First, last. Closed, opposite of open. Safe, dangerous. Comfortable, opposite of uncomfortable. Wow, 26.1 seconds. And you can play again and get more words, or you can hit back. Oops, back. All right. And you can also do a test. And I can do writing test. So it gives me all the words to write. I can do matching, multiple choice, true, false. And then I can check my answers. Okay? Or I can do options. I can choose which ones I want. Let's say I don't want writing. I just want matching, multiple choice, and true, false. And then I create a new test. So there's my matching, my multiple choice, my true, false. Okay, and then I check my answers. So you just click the answer. Oops, that's false. I can change my answer. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. And there's another one called Learn. And what they do is you answer every term correctly twice to finish. And they tell you which ones you're familiar with, and these ones you're really good at. Okay, I got it, teacher, I got it. Click that. Awful, opposite of delicious. Open, opposite of closed. Wrong, incorrect, opposite of right, correct. Low would be high. Messy, untidy would be tidy, neat. Fun, oh, boring. Different, the same, opposite. Wow, you got it. Keep going. Oh, thank you. I can keep going. Any key. Low. Oh, now they want me to type the answer. High. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Haha. High. And then I can hit answer. Uh-oh. I put a T. I'm not supposed to put a T. So I can type the correct answer. Oops, press the key. Quiet, opposite of, oops, busy. Busy. Awful is delicious. Delicious. And then they have awful. I spelled it wrong. Oh my gosh. This is the correct answer. This is a close one. Is it correct? Okay, vacant. Vacant. All right. Only one, there's two, only one C. Open, closed. So if you spell wrong, this one's difficult. So that's why I say don't do this one. Do the flashcards, do the spell, and do the match. It's easier for you. And sometimes the teacher will ask you to do Quizlet live, and you will then play a game. But we're not going to do Quizlet live right now, okay? So that is it. That's Quizlet. And you can also see all the words down here. The ones that you missed, no answers yet. And you can also print these. You can go over here. Customize. So customize, and it says print. So see these little 3 dots? 1, 2, 3, 3 dots. Click on that, click on print, and then you can figure out how do you want to print it. Like a table? Then you can all the words and their opposites, see? On one page. You can print that page, and then what you do, you can go to open PDF, or I can make it like this, boring, fun, busy, quiet. I can make it like boring, fun, busy, quiet. I can make them very big, or a little index card. I think maybe I will do this one. So, and you can alphabetize it, or you can make the other way like that, okay? Oh. Okay, that one's good. So then I would open the PDF, and I would go to print right here, and print. I hit print. Make sure my printer's on. Okay, I just turned it on. And now I am getting a print. Yay! So isn't that wonderful, students? That's what you can do on Quizlet Live. And this is all from Lubecki's class, where I have many, many things for you to study. Wow, look at that. So these ones are called adjectives, opposites, 21 to 40. Okay? And that's it for today. Bye-bye.